That was the steps how to perform a proper deadlift. Your core, your body, your back, your legs, your hamstrings, everything with one exercise. What is up, guys? New day, new video. Welcome to the channel. It's me, Mohammed. And today it's going to be a deadlift workout. So if you are new to deadlifts, if you are a beginner and you want to know how to perform a deadlift properly, you need to watch this video until the end. It's going to be awesome. Of course, before we start our workout, we need to warm up. So that's why I'm in a treadmill. I'm going to do maybe 15 to 20 minutes warm up for my legs, of course, to get the blood running so that I can be ready for the workout and not get injured at the end or during the workout. And of course, if you are new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button, like this video if you like it, and let's start this workout. Of course, guys, to start such a compound exercise as deadlift and you are a beginner, you need to warm up your muscle properly before to start this exercise. That's why I'm gonna start with some leg curls, 3 sets, 8 to 12 reps. Nothing crazy to start the exercise properly without getting injured during the exercise. So, of course, we're gonna start with it and then we're gonna hit to our barbell. Let's go. Warm up is done. Now we're gonna get to the barbell and we're gonna start, of course, our exercise. And this is how you prepare your place or your space to start doing or performing your deadlifts. Just a barbell, some weights, and you are ready to go. And of course, the first set, it's gonna be only a warm-up. That's what I'm gonna do right now, so let's go. Of course, guys, if you are a beginner, start only with the barbell to get used to the exercise, and then you're gonna put weights at the beginning, and then you're gonna continue with the time. So this is an important thing. Start with minimum weight, and then you can, of course, get more weights or more plates to the barbell. The common mistake a lot of people do in while performing deadlifts, they are not used to the exercise, of course, but they are starting with a lot of weights because they want to look strong or they want to show off or something like this. But this is a big mistake because deadlifts is not an easy exercise and demands a lot of power, a lot of strength, and of course a core stability. So if you want to start performing this exercise, you need this balance to hit this exercise. It's a powerlifting exercise, and if you want to watch me performing this exercise for 30 days and how much I got stronger while performing this exercise and 2 other exercises like squats and bench press, you can go and watch my previous video. I'm gonna link it here or in the description below. Now I'm gonna hit the first set. It's gonna be only 100 kilos. It's gonna be also a warm-up set, and then we're gonna hit the big daddies, of course, 3 plates, and we're gonna go from there. So let's start. Another tip, guys, if you are a beginner for deadlifts, you need 2 things. A belt for your safety. I'm not using it because I used to deadlift without a belt. And of course, some nice powerlifting straps to have a better grip at the barbell. So now we're gonna hit the third or the second set. It's gonna be now 140 kg. Let's go. Speaking about powerlifting straps, these are from Hardbody. If you are interested in these, I have a video 1 year ago. You can go and watch why I have bought these to train with. And of course, in the future, stay tuned. I'm gonna make a video where I review these straps for the last year. They were awesome. And I'm gonna tell you more about it, so stay tuned for that. Also, last thing guys, if you are training powerlifting or squats or deadlifts, you need of course one more important thing. That is a shoe that can help you with these exercises. You don't need a shoe that has a foam elevated from the heel. You need to feel your heel on the floor while performing these exercises, because you don't want to hurt your knees and your back. So that's why you need some flat shoes like these Chucks I'm wearing right now, or some powerlifting shoes. So be careful of course. Now I'm gonna put one more plate and we will see how much reps we can perform with 180 kg. Let's continue right now. I'm feeling good. Maybe I will hit also today 190 kg. We will see. Let's go.
Yeah, I gotta keep it trendy on my soul. I'm the most selfish person that I know. Here we go, down the rabbit hole. Got a couple carrots around my neck. Self-respect, when you out of line, you put yourself in check. They don't hear me, they don't hear me though. Cycles going round and round and round like a merry-go. Stand for truth, or fall for any old scenario. That's why I keep my circle smaller than a Cheerio.
This is the first time I'm doing 3 reps for 180 kg. Now I'm gonna go up to 190 kg. This is my PR for now, and I'm gonna try to do 2 reps. But if I am capable to do 1 rep, it's gonna be awesome. The last thing, if you are performing deadlifts with a lot of weights, you don't need to do a lot of reps, because this is a strength exercise. If you are doing some PRs, 4-6 reps with a weights that you can control, and of course if you are going higher, you can reduce the amount of reps you're performing so that you can have more strength for the next set. So let's hit the 190 and let's see how it's gonna go. And 1 rep was enough to end this exercise, guys. Now, of course, I still have a little bit of time. Maybe I will hit some back, 2 or 3 exercises for the back, and then I'm gonna wrap up this workout for today. So as I showed you guys, that was the steps how to perform a proper deadlift if you are a beginner and you want to start getting some strength, because this type of exercises will give you a lot of strength. Your core, your body, your back, your legs, your hamstrings, everything with 1 exercise. So it's of course a very important exercise to build some muscle mass and some strength. And of course guys, if you are done with your deadlifts, make sure to put the plates at their places, and of course to clean up your place, because you don't want to be a pussy. Make the weights away and go and continue your workout or your exercises. So to continue this workout properly, guys, we're gonna continue with this machine, isolateral row machine for our lat rows, because we just finished deadlifts. It's good for the lower side of my back, and we're gonna continue with this machine. Maybe 2 more machines, 8 to 12 reps. It's gonna be enough to wrap up this workout. So let's start with it.
Ay, okay, let it be known. I'm working hard when I ain't on the phone. This ain't a home, this ain't a phone. Grind never stopping, I'm keeping it cold. Unlocking the door with the holy key. You supposed to be this close to me, and hopefully you understand G.O.D. Maybe this cold and I'm talking like no degrees. This ain't a fluke, I seen it way before it ever happened.
Of course, guys, in this machine you can perform this exercise as a single arm rows or double arm, as you want. Last set, 60 kg in each arm. Let's go.
It's what you hear, not what you heard. I'ma hate on every verb. I'ma show you what it's worth. Every day I'm on the earth till they put me in the dirt. I'ma get into it first. Said I'ma get into it first. Until they put me in the dirt. Said I'ma get into it first. Said I'ma get into it. I can't break, that's the thing about me. I won't put.
To turn things more exciting, guys, I'm making this last set as a drop set to get more excited, to get more volume, and of course to get it done.
I eat this spinach and broccoli, termination like I'm Rocky. Lift the heavy, no spot, please. Body back a beating in, I get away scotch free. And I'ma take control, unbreakable. I sense the face, the shakes is cold, the grace is more. Plus it's really the motivation, so it's thank you so. Sweat that's on my neck, hard work on my brain. The easy route taking the left, it's on my chest. No time for regrets, faith in the Jimmy like Steph. Shooting is wet like clay, the party ain't maybe this way. I'm taking all of this love to the bank. I'ma deposit and see what it make. Shoot it, so it's reap.
And last exercise, guys, it's gonna be also a machine for our lower back. As you see, this is the machine I'm gonna use for this last exercise. It was all about lats and of course deadlifts. And yeah, we're gonna wrap up this video with this exercise.
I'ma get into it. I can't break, that's the thing about me. I won't put these goals on freeze. I can't break, that's the thing about me. I won't put these goals on freeze.
And that was it, guys. That was the whole workout for today. It was all about, if you are a beginner, how to properly perform a deadlift from the beginning to the end, and of course some extra exercises for your back. As always, guys, I hope you like this video. I hope you do the same, and of course if you like it, also make sure to subscribe. If you are new to the channel, hit that like button, and as always, I will see you in the next video. Peace.